Hey guys, I just want to thank you for all the subscribers. It means a lot. So yeah, let's get to the leg farts, arm farts, and burps. I'll do arm farts first. Gosh, that's tiring. Let's get to the leg farts now. You get this, I don't know if you can see that. You get this fat right here, and you blow on it. It's kind of tiring. Exactly like where all of your fat is. You have to blow as hard as you can on it. Now I'm going to do some burps. Let's do a better one. Try to at least. Damn it. Sorry about that. It was wet. I had to swallow puke. Hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. It'll mean a lot if you subscribed and liked. Mostly subscribed, comment, and goodbye.